Every small detail brings more reliability to your on-water experience. We have custom-made a brand new waterproof sleeve for the battery charging connector. This practical accessory will be provided free for all new orders starting August 5th. Let's show you how to install it easily. Step 1. Gently wipe water stains and dust off the charging connector. Step 2. Align the sleeve with the slot and snap it smoothly into position. Step 3. Make sure the sleeve fits tightly with no lifted edges. And you are finished. This small accessory protects the connector. It improves from moisture and greatly reliability on the water. These careful details help you enjoy a safe and carefree time on the water.